Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Windows 11 override input method automatically. Access a setting from the Start menu. There you must go to the section Time and Language. After that, open the option Language and Region. Then open the typing line. Click on Advanced Keyboard Settings. Here, validate that the boxes located in the section Switching Input Methods are unchecked. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.